cannot have enough of these juicy kebabs. Yeah, they're so meaty, so soft, and just for 4 dirhams each, yeah, I can eat them all day literally. I cannot stop eating them. Next in the list is this yummy meat samosa. How can we not like samosa with the red chutney? Yeah, let's try it. Uzbek make their coffee hard and it goes so well with their special tiramisu. This taste with a view just cost me 30 dirhams only. Next in the tummy list is Uzbek version of bun kebab, which is made in bun and grilled with cheese. I'm ending the Uzbek food tour with shawarma. How can we not? So this yummy shawarma just cost 4 dirhams. Let's try it. It is spicy and the bread is so soft. Yeah, oof. I hope you can feel the yumminess that is going into my mouth.